Hello everyone and welcome to a new ServiceTonic video. In this video, we will give you an overview on page design. In this video, we will learn how to make tabs or containers visible and invisible within tickets, create new custom tabs, display all service fields along with their possible values, change the order of the tabs inside the ticket, and finally add roles to each of these windows. Before we begin, let me explain that page design is essential for creating service tickets. It provides an easy way to configure ticket fields. To configure this section, we must go to Administration, Service Desk, Page Design. First of all, it's important to note that ServiceTonic offers some predefined tabs such as the header, history, or contact. We will start the example by creating a new tab. First, we will enter the name. In this case, we will add ticket categorization. Next, we have the option to modify the tab's parameters, such as whether it is visible or not, whether we can minimize it, if we want it to be extended when opening the ticket, or finally if we want to add a hotkey to display it. In this case, we will mark it as Show Extended. Once the new tab is created, we have the following options: create another one, add a translation to the tab, update the previously configured parameters, delete the tab, modify the permissions for that tab, and finally the option to order that tab in the ticket editing view. We save the order, update the page. Now that we have configured the tab, it's time to add the fields. First, we will add the categorization label. Followed by fields like the ticket type, category, and finally subcategory. We can also move the position of the fields within the tab to reorder or remove them. Lastly, and very importantly, we apply the changes. Finally, we create a new ticket to confirm the correct configuration. We go to the ticket details, and as we can see here, we have the categorization tab with the fields and parameters we have introduced. And this concludes the overview on page design. For any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to contact our support team through the usual channels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.